Hi, my name is Natalie Leszewski. I am in the traditional BSN program here at Methodist. I am born and raised in Gretna, Nebraska, where I still live with my parents and my 3 younger siblings. My future goal for myself is to be a pediatric nurse anesthetist at any children's hospital. I enjoy hanging out with family, my boyfriend, and friends by the pool in our backyard. I currently work at Methodist Women's Hospital, and I do part-time nannying as well and help out my parents when I can. The leader that I admire is my mom. A leader to me is someone who motivates and pushes somebody through their life and inspires them. Coaches, they're a good role model and encourages people to do the best. So my mom is all of these things and more. I look up to her, and I intend to be like her in my lifetime. My mom is my siblings and I's biggest motivator and advocator. Her and my dad own a small business in Gretna since 2003. So she's a leader at work, and then she comes home to her 4 kids as a leader here. When we accomplish something, she's always front row cheering us on. And when we're down about something, she's always there to support us and help us through tough times. She is the reason I'm going through nursing school, and she makes me strive to be the best in life. So that's why my mom is a leader. Thank you.